Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the chess knight from Cuphead the Delicious Last Course. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start off drawing the head, and here I'm drawing the top of his helmet. And then there's the bottom of the helmet. And now I'm going to start drawing his face. And that's his eye. And then here's his nose, with his two nostrils there. He has two big square teeth there. And here's his lower jaw. And those are his other teeth. There's a line for his tongue. And now I'm gonna do the three little holes on the top of his helmet. And then you just kind of barely see that one on the edge there. And this is his ear. And I'm gonna finish off his head. And now I'm gonna start going onto his neck. This is the mane on top of his head. We'll finish that later. And this is his arm right here, which his elbow is a big round ball. And that finishes off the shape of his body. It's kind of like a bean. And here I'm drawing a diamond pattern, which you could think of as a few X's or a bunch of diamonds. Either way works. And like I said, we're gonna finish the mane off. And I'm gonna draw some details in there. And this is his sword, which is kind of like a kite shape. Keep in mind that it's short from perspective. And I'm gonna draw his three fingers there. And that bottom circle isn't a finger, it's the bottom of the sword. And now I'm going to draw a quick line through the sword. Now I'm going to start drawing his legs. This one's straight and on an angle. And he's wearing what looks like to be socks. It reminds me of Goofy. And then down here is his arm, which is holding a shield. And now to the bottom of his back and his leg. This one's bent. And his foot is flat on the ground this time. And is still a sock for some reason. And that's how to draw the chess knight from Cuphead, the delicious last course. For those of you wondering about my Halloween videos, they should be out soon. I already have some plans for what I'm going to be doing. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.